$26.95. $26.95 is what they wanted for a birdseed feeder in the sort of pet supermarket where I get my cat food. But you know, there's a difference between not exactly being in debtor's prison and getting stuffed over by those guys. So I thought, that's probably something I can do for myself. So I came up with this. It's just a little round thing I found in the shed. Don't know what it came with, flower pot or something, I guess. And then I took a 1 litre OJ bottle and screwed the cap to the centre of it. I've cascaded the washers at the back because this feels fairly old and like the UV's been getting at it. But anyway, that fixes on there. This is the rest of the bottle, and with my with a soldering iron I made some little holes and inserted a bit of bar, cut some little pecking holes here and on the other side. Here I've got a blind fixing for plasterboard coming through a 10mm solder eyelet, so that hangs on there okay. Little tuppenny carabiner so I can hang it up. And then the idea is that that goes on there. That hangs up like that. Bird sits on here, peck here, and then the bits and pieces fall out here. So they might have a bit of fun with that. So we'll hang it up, we'll see how it goes, and now, so I've got this hook up here. So I guess we'll just hang it up like that and see how it goes. Now, yes, I do have cats, and you maybe shouldn't attract birds to the garden if you have cats, but cats are shut out the back. They never ever come out here because there's too many dogs, and it's a local authority requirement that they are not allowed to roam. And as a responsible owner, you should see that that doesn't happen then. So okay, that's the bird feeder. Hopefully we'll have some birds coming to check that out, although none of them seem to have been checking out my offerings of apple and orange down here. I thought they'd have gone nuts for this. I checked it out this morning, I haven't seen a bird all day. Well, maybe they have to get used to the idea that it's here. Another gorgeous day in paradise. Look at this. Except that it's curbside pickup this week, so the place looks like a tip. I didn't put anything out. Well, I did. I put 2 chairs out, and the next morning they disappeared. So obviously a better quality of junk comes out of my house. So just have a quick look down here. These are the here, and here are the there's a few over there. These are the Agave Americana that I transplanted. They should very soon look like these. I don't know what it is about these things, but I just love them. And I found some rather miserable looking nasturtiums in a pot out the back, and I transplanted them. Well, it's got a flower on it, but they're the most miserable looking nasturtiums you've ever seen, which is a shame because I love nasturtiums. I used to grow them in London when I was a little boy, and I've got some more packets of seeds. You want to shop around for seeds. So I bought a packet of nasturtium seeds in Bunnings for $4, and I saw exactly the same thing in the reject shop, which used to be Crazy Clark's, $1.50. Both exactly the same expiry date, 2015. So if you're going to buy your seeds, check out those cheap house shops. Anyway, that's all for now. Next video will be thousands of little silver eyes or something, pecking the death out of that. Okay, bye.